your heart and give us a
Hey guys, it's the Blade 346 coming out with another video. Yeah, it's a kind of a vlog telling you what I'm gonna have for an unboxing. Yeah, unboxing. Promise it's gonna be an unboxing. No chiz, unless they don't have it, which they probably will. Okay, so let me get to the point. I went to Myers yesterday. Oddly enough, they had lots of Yu-Gi-Oh stuff, and some of the older stuff. They had the Strike of Neos booster pack. They have very first Yu-Gi-Oh packs. Strike of Neos. They didn't have. They had some not boxes, but booster boxes. Yeah, and they had Pharaonic Guard. Which is one of the very first packs, which is a very old pack.
Actually, you look like your wedding picture.
Perfect.
And it's pretty cool. And then I'm gonna go to Target and get wacky packages. And if you don't know what those are, wacky packages are pretty much like these stickers, yeah. And then they're like parodies of other things. Like in the first season of Wacky Packages in 2004, there was this Wacky Pack thing. It was called Baby Bottle Poop. See, it's a Baby Bottle Pop, but they changed it to Baby Bottle Poop because it sounds like that. It's just so funny. And they come with erasers and stuff, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of it, and it'll be pretty cool. So, bye. Get ready for that unboxing. In 20 hours.
I'm going to take what you owe us.
Yes.